Today I'm going to show you how to install the Cisco Meraki MX64 into the RM-CI-T4 from Rackmount.IT. So you will need the Meraki appliance with power cord and of course the rack mount kit. So let's open the box and see what's inside. Included in the box is the 19-inch Meraki rack mount kit, 3 zip ties, 1 star bit or T6 key, and installation instructions. So we have the Meraki appliance. We want to place the appliance with the connections to the front. In order to secure the Meraki appliance to the rack, you will need to remove the bottom front screws from the appliance and place them in the screw holes on the rack. The status light on the appliance will align with the light pipe, which brings the status light to the front of the rack. Let's begin by removing the screws from the appliance. Now that we have the screws removed, place the appliance in the rack mount kit with the connections facing towards the front. Once the appliance is in place, turn the rack over, holding the appliance and rack in place. Use the 2 screw holes provided to secure the appliance. Let's put the screws in. Once all the screws are tight, the appliance should be secured. Next, we are going to install the battery using the zip ties provided with the rack mount kit. Place 2 of the zip ties through the holes on the rack. Next, you will place the power supply over the zip ties. Then tighten the zip ties over the power supply. Then trim the remaining zip tie. Once the power supply is secured, you are ready to plug in the cord to the appliance. You will need to feed the cord through the hole in the front of the rack and plug into the appliance. Place the zip tie through the 2 holes on the rack. Wind up the excess cord and place it on top of the zip ties. Tighten the zip ties as much as possible. Trim the excess zip tie. You are now done installing the appliance on the rack mount kit. Double check to ensure all pieces are secured. You can also go ahead and plug in the power supply. Once you plug in the power supply, the status light on the front will turn on. Now we are ready to install the rack into a server cabinet. If you have any questions about Rackmount.IT products, visit us on the web at www.rackmount.it.
Rock on!